I'm here today to give you my second altcoin of the day, XRP, as a Bitcoin Beats calls it, Satan coin. Now, as you can see there, guys, XRP does actually have a very good use case. It is used by a lot of international banks from massive transfers, right? Obviously, they've got the SEC sort of case still ongoing, still very annoying. I think that they're getting buried in paperwork, which is all good, nice to see. And yeah, so yeah, as you can see here, guys, XRP, we do have all-time highs on this chart around $1.95. What I do want to say, that isn't the all-time high. The all-time high is around $3, and that's obviously it's a long time ago, like years and years ago, right? Because it's a very old coin. It's very strong in the space. So yeah, as you can see, all-time high point coming through here. You can see you can see high point coming through here. You've got lower highs coming through as well. Very strong indeed in terms of resistance, guys. As I'm saying, very strong in terms of resistance. So we need to take into consideration the future of XRP. If we are going to actually come up to anywhere near here, we need to basically take into consideration for resistance there. In terms of live price, in terms of what's happening right now, I'm not going to go into this big sort of breakout scenario because we have actually dumped considerably. But I do want to say, look at the support that we are getting from this low, right? From this low coming through here, we got higher low as well. We've obviously got these high lows. We have invalidated those high lows through that insane crypto crash there. I think if the SEC weren't involved in this, we would have actually seen humongous uptrends there for XRP, and we would have seen a lot more progression. And when we see a dump like this, it wouldn't have actually invalidated really crucial high lows there. So I would say overall, I am still bullish on XRP, like in terms of a general here. In terms of general, I am still bullish on XRP, but what we are seeing here, we are seeing a symmetrical triangle symmetrical triangle chart pattern here, guys. You can see lower high from that, not all-time high, from that high there. We've got another lower high as well. We've got a higher low here and also another higher low, creating a symmetrical triangle chart pattern. If you guys can't see that, for the newer traders out there, it is let me draw it in, right? As you can see, it is a symmetrical triangle chart pattern coming to the upside, upward sloping trend line, downward sloping trend line, and also going to be a trend line coming through like that. I mean, sorry, not a trend line, just a line. And that's obviously going to be creating what we call a symmetrical triangle chart pattern, guys. And that basically means that we are looking for a breakout scenario, right? Breakout scenario, looking for the upside around 30, probably less than 30%, right? That's going to be the measure move. But yeah, I'm not going to go into that right now because we are in terms of a breakdown scenario, right? In terms of a measure move to the downside here, this is something to be looking out for there. As you can see, this does line up perfectly with this this level of support as well. We have actually seen this play out. So yeah, well done to anyone who did jump in and get involved with this. For me personally, I didn't. A bit annoying, but yeah, it is what it is. It just shows how well these do plan out, guys. And obviously staggering those take profits all the way down is the wisest thing to do here. I can't stress that enough. And basically just use all these correlative points as levels here, guys, because we know there's consolidation here. We know there's potential reversal points there. We know there's potential support there. So yeah, that's definitely going to be points to be looking out for there for the future. In terms of like a position now for XRP, let's jump down to the shorter term time frames and see if we can get a bit of a better gauge in terms of what's actually happening, because straight off the bat, just looking at this hourly chart, I'm saying an ascending triangle straight through here, and you can see the trend line coming up like so. You can see the level of support we've got coming through, and also you can see this as, oh, maybe not. Oh no, yeah, it's an ascending triangle. Yeah, sorry, I thought we might be in the mix for a symmetrical triangle, right? And that's when these lower highs here, they would be a bit lower, and then it would have been a downward sloping trend line as we were just discussing. But yeah, it is an ascending triangle. It is technically a bullish chart pattern. At the bottom of a downtrend, yes, technically probably a bit more bearish. And if Bitcoin is going to dump, this is definitely going to be something to be looking out for in terms of a nice little cheeky short, right? Let's do a measure move for that, for a potential position here for XRP for the day, guys. This is the hourly chart. This is actually very achievable for a lovely position to be getting involved with. Obviously, please go do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor here. Please don't go take any positions that I'm saying. Please go do your own research and educate yourself before doing that. And you can see this is going to be around a 5.72% move there for XRP to the downside. If Bitcoin is probably going to dump, it's going to be taking altcoins with it, right? So we are going to see XRP probably take a hit from there. Below all major moving averages, well on the daily. Sorry, not the daily, the hourly. So that obviously is an indication that that's bearish, right? That is bearish. And also, they're very coiled up, guys. When we see really coiled up moving averages like this, really quite horrible, right? When they're really coiled up, it basically signifies a big breakout in the price, right? So it's definitely something to be looking out for. As you can see, very coiled up, massive breakout in the price, right? Let's get some more data. Very coiled up. We see lovely breakouts in the price, right? Let's see again, very coiled up. massive breakout in the price. So yeah, definitely a piece of information to be using here. We're very caught up. So this is an indication that we're going to have a breakout in the price, right? Say that again. But yeah, that's going to be your daily update on my altcoin of the day today, well, my second altcoin of the day today, and that's going to be XRP coming through.